Okay. Hey, what is popping, you guys? What's up? Okay. So today, as you probably read from the title, I wanted to I wanted to try and make like a Trixie Mattel normal inspired cosplay, kind of like the people that cosplay at Disneyland, but they try to do it like in like a very like subdued kind of way, so then they can't get, you know, caught by the fucking, you know what I mean, by the fucking cops or whatever, you know what I mean. So I wanted to, I'm about to say it, Queen, I'm so sorry, this is gonna hurt the ears. I'm gonna try and make Trixie Mattel wearable. I'm gonna try and make her wearable. That is not a read, but I'm trying to make her wearable. And I don't know, I'm kind of excited. I already have the outfit picked out because, girl, I mean, I had to think like a Virgo, you know what I mean? I had to think like a Miss, you know, a Miss Mattel. I had to think like Miss Bryan, you know what I mean? I already have the outfit picked out. So, and I feel like this, like, I feel like it's gonna look so good. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna try and make her wearable. She's gonna try and be like a little bit like, I don't know, you know what I mean? We're gonna bring her down a couple notches. Think of this as like a, oh my god, this is like that British show. Fuck, what is it called? Oh, you guys have seen it, girl. It's all over YouTube. What is it called? Oh, Snog, Marry something, and then like they make under, I don't know, girl. I don't know. It's like a British thing. Little clip.
If I walk down the street and someone dirty looks at me, that urges me on to do more. I'm like, yes, feed it. Come on, feed it.
Run the deep cleanse.
Why? Yeah, this might take a little while. Oh, this is hardcore. No more glitter, no more black. So upsetting.
To run the make under in 3, 2, 1.
Period. Okay, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that for Miss Trixie. And I want to make it wearable, and I don't know, I'm excited. Anyways, this fucking intro is way too long, so we're gonna be doing this, and this is exciting, and I don't know. We're gonna do the makeup, girl. I already showered and everything. All that happened earlier this morning, and then we just got this idea right now. But we're gonna do it right now because I'm so excited. Okay, so for the makeup, I want to try and stay as true to like the key features of like her her makeup, you know what I mean? Like, I want to stick true to like the key features of it. So I do want to make sure that the wing is big. I want to make sure that I have like white somewhere. I want to make sure that there's like a bit of like, maybe like an illusion going on with the eyes a little bit. I do want to keep it like normal, I guess, you know what I mean? Like just subdued, you know what I mean? Like just like reg, but still, I don't know, have it to be a little bit spicy, because I mean, like, you can still be spicy with your makeup and like walk around, you know, the streets, but I don't want to do full drag and walk around the streets, you know what I mean? And that's also peace and love. But I can do, you know, fun eyeliner and stuff. I'm down to do that. So we're just gonna do that, you know what I mean? Like, we're just gonna fucking, I don't know, bitch, we're making it wearable. We're making like a little bit of a cosplay stitch, like a secretive cosplay slash dress down slash wearable slash try not to get rid of all of like the beautiful key elements of it though moment, you know. This is a message to Brian specifically, because if he ever fucking, you know, sees this, which I really doubt, but like, you know what I mean? Like, if it ever fucking happens, I don't know, like by the grace of, you know, the universe, if it ever fucking happens, but and by the grace of the Lord, but I don't have lashes. I don't own any lashes. I'm not gonna go out and buy lashes. I don't have lashes, and I'm not gonna spend money. Peace and love, no. No lashes. I don't have lashes. So that's it. But I'll put on a lot of fucking mascara, you know what I mean? Like, this bitch is gonna be mascara the fuck out, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, on some Eugenia Cooney shit, you know what I mean? Or no, not Eugenia Cooney. Which one is it? It was the one that
present you with a makeup tutorial of this. Enjoy.
People thought that got kidnapped. I don't remember her name. I always bring her up. I always always bring her up, but that bitch was crazy. Like, that shit was crazy. Like, people thought she was kidnapped. I don't know. Anyways, I am literally getting on a tangent. So makeup. Let's do the makeup. I feel like a very Trixie color is brown for some reason. I don't know. This girl just loves using brown on her eyes, I feel like, or I always see brown like around her eyes. So I want to do a brown eye, and then we can have like a bit of like a maybe like a gloss. Would she be okay with a gloss? Like a full, I know you would never do like a full gloss probably because like you have to overline and shit, you know what I mean? But
And you? Wow. I've been told on this channel not to wear lip gloss because I draw my lips on too big and it looks ridiculous. So
she has like really intense liner, and so I kind of want to like, well, I obviously want to replicate that in some way, but like, I don't know. Okay. Already people are like, this is wearable to you? Shut the fuck up, okay? It's still gonna be camp as fuck, but it's just gonna be more wearable than what it, you know, originally is. Okay, I'm gonna clean these up and I'll be right back. Okay, I fixed it. I fucking fixed it. So what I did is that I made it more straight, and then like I kind of rounded it out at the top a little bit. This looks really cute on me, by the way. I really like this. If I could somehow recreate this every day, I would. But I just feel like it'd be really hard because, girl, this was already an arm and a leg, you know what I mean, to get here. Okay, so I have the Morphe, which one is this? This is the Morphe Boss Mood, question mark, I want to say. Palette, here she is. Okay, we're gonna go for like the browns, so we're gonna stick to this corner over here. I'm not gonna tell you the names of the colors because, girl, this, you want me to, no. I'm trying to keep the essence of Trixie Mattel, but not be able to, like, you know, get told to leave the park. You understand what I'm saying? Like, if I go to like Trixie Mattel like land, I want to be able to like wear this makeup and like cosplay in a way, but like not enough to where it's like, hey, you're pretending to be, you know, Brian or Trixie Mattel or whatever, like you're pretending to be them, like get the fuck out of the park. Like, that's essentially what we're going for. So we're like going for, you know, won't get caught by the cops, you know what I'm saying? Like the cops won't get us. I don't have primer. I don't use primer, so I'm using a lipstick. Okay, and I forgot to put it on before we put the eyeshadow, but oh well. Oh well. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. Obviously, if I'm doing this wrong, Brian can always make his own version. So go for it, honey. You could do it better than I can because you actually know Trixie, okay? Because you are her. But you know what I mean? Maybe, oh, but is that too much? I don't know. Is that too much? Come on, girl. We're literally, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go in, ooh, we're gonna go, yeah, we're gonna go in with this one, I want to say, and I just want to brighten this up a little bit because like it's just like it's not enough glimmer, you know what I mean? Like it's just not enough. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Okay, now I'm gonna get the white liner from because it is the only fucking white liner that I have right now. Or no, oh my god, this is even better. I have Drug Lord, bitch. We're gonna use Drug Lord on my waterline. Straight out of the motherfucker. I don't care. I'm gonna put this. Girl, trusting the fucking process. What did I say? You just gotta trust the process a little bit. Just a little bit. Just trust me a little bit. Come on. I know Trixie does not really fuck with like not a matte base. But Trixie's not here right now. So we're just gonna do a bit of like a sunburn kind of moment with this, like that. And then you know what? Because this is literally like the color that I want, I'm just gonna Is that blush cute? I don't know. Is this even wearable? Is this even considered wearable anymore? I guess that's that, right? Okay, so now we're gonna now I'm gonna do the mascara. So I'm gonna get started on the mascara, and then we'll be back once I'm like getting y'all closer so you can see the mascara. Like, girl, I'm caking it the fuck on, okay? I just want you to know that. Like, I really am caking it on, even though I don't have to, but like I'm trying to, because I just don't have any fucking falsies. So I'm so sorry, but big fucking whoopee. And then I'm gonna put the mascara on just right here as well. There we go. That's what I want. Like, I want you to be able to see them. Do you understand what I'm saying? If I had lashes, that would totally add to it. Okay, so here, okay, this is essentially, right, like this is like the finished product pretty much. What I'm gonna do is just add a lip. So I'm gonna add a lip. What should the fucking lip color be? Now we need a lip color. Now this can't just be a gloss. Like, now that I know what the fuck the finished product is. Would this work? Would that be an okay lip? I don't know. Let's try it out. Let's see. That does not have a mirror on it. I don't know why the fuck I was grabbing the Morphe palette. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. Let me take off the, like, chapstick that I had on. Okay. Are there any other elements that I'm missing? I don't even know. That's something. Ooh. I know she would probably never wear brown, and she would, you know, find another color to put on, but I don't care, girl. You'll understand once we like do the look, okay? It was the closest thing that I could possibly do for Trixie, and so that's just what we're gonna do. Also, I'm at 5%, so I'm gonna quickly end this, and we'll be right back once my fucking phone is all charged and stuff. Okay, so I look so freaking cute right now. I can't stop looking at myself. Oh my god, Trixie, stop. Trixie, you might have done something, baby. You might have just given me my new makeup moment for now. Oh my god. Oh fuck, I feel so hot. Trixie. With the clothes. Oh my god, you guys are not ready you guys are just not ready, because like I already kind of know, but like you guys are just not prepared. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna find my fucking comb real quick, and then we're gonna tease my shit. Okay, so the only comb I have is a wet comb, so we're just gonna have to fucking deal, okay? Like, we're just oh my god. Okay. This is, I feel like, more of a Katya hair stitch, but I mean, it's just gonna have to do, okay, Trix? I can't do it, baby. I don't know how, I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. That's something, right? That's a little bit different than what we were looking at before. Don't you think? Everyone's like, girl, it looks the fucking same. Listen, we're trying. I'm trying to make it big, but I don't have product. I don't have any, like, I don't own any stuff like that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the jewelry. We're gonna do jewelry. Well, I guess I just should put on everything. So I'm gonna put everything on, and then I'm just gonna show you the final look, I guess. The sad thing is that I don't have white go-go boots. I'm still waiting for them in the mail, and they're not here yet. So I will post. No, I can't, because I'm not going to redo this makeup. We're just going to have to do a black boot. I'm so sorry, Trix. I'm so sorry, Trixie. I'm so sorry, BB. But we're just going to have to do a black boot. So we're going to do a black boot, but I will see you in a minute, okay? So we'll be right back. Oh, this is the final reveal. Okay, so I feel like this dress is very Trixie, right? I don't know. It just feels very her for some reason. I feel like it'd be her, like in like her 70s moment. I feel like I'm thinking about Trixie like in her 70s moment, and I think that's why I thought about this outfit. The famous boot that I love to put on. But it's the only shoe that I could see working with this. I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, it's the only thing I could see working with it. And then here's the makeup. I think that's it, right? I don't know what else to do. There's nothing much else to do. I could try to do something in the Trixie Mattel makeup, but like, I'm not rich like her, so like I don't have any of the things that like are of her, you know. And I don't have a Katya right now, so I'm not gonna redo. So I love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And it was super freaking fun filming it. I'm just happy that I did it. But yeah, I don't know. Expect more fun, exciting content like this. Hopefully, if your girl gets, you know, little bursts of inspiration, you know what I'm saying. But I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and the funness of it. And I don't know. I will see you guys on the next one. And bye. Love you guys. Trixie Mattel out. Ooh. Kidding, I'm not Trixie. Trixie, this is a very, very calm Trixie. I look so good though. Anyways, okay, bye. I don't know what to do. Whatever. I look hot.